Don't you just hate it when life is going good? The lights are on, there's food in the refrigerator, the bills are paid, you wake up to a good cup of joe, and before you know it, like life starts lifing. The frustration and overwhelm sets in, and you find yourself asking God, what's next? Why me? First of all, let's stop asking God that, okay? We don't need to be asking God what's next because we are overcomers and we think in terms of victory, not defeat. Second, let's take a look at 1 Chronicles 16:12, which says, "Remember his marvelous works which he has done, his wonders and the judgment of his mouth." When you're in a storm, it can feel hard to see your way out. But here's King David reminding us that there is power in our praise. When we focus on his past faithfulness, we can trust him with our future. So instead of worrying, take a moment to look back at how God has carried you through before. Keep it at the forefront of your mind. Make it a habit of writing down your testimonies. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself of your parting of the Red Sea moments, because if God did it, he'll do it again. Your faith grows when you focus on what God has already done, even in your moments of uncertainty. Be strengthened and guided by putting your trust in God. Thanks for joining me for 1 Minute on Purpose.